Hey everyone, my name is NPizzoK. I'm a senior at FAU High School and I was named a 2020 Regeneron International Science and Engineering Fair finalist. Unfortunately, this year the fair was canceled due to the coronavirus pandemic, but I still want to tell you a little bit about myself and my research. My project was on detection methods for citrus greening disease in South Florida. Trees have veins that carry water and nutrients just like humans. Xylem, which are thinner, they carry water for the tree. Phloem are a little bit thicker than xylem and they carry the nutrients, which is like the tree's food. Citrus greening disease is a bacterial infection and it is carried from tree to tree by a little tiny bug. This is really similar to malaria in humans. When the bug infects the tree, the bacteria grows inside the veins of the tree and blocks the flow of water and nutrients. This process causes a very slow death for trees, and it's been a real problem in Florida for the last 15 years, and there's still not a solution for it. For my science fair project, I used different kinds of technology to actually look at the microscopic tissue inside the tree and examine whether or not there was bacteria. I also looked at the DNA of the tree to determine if there was a genetic link for being predisposed to citrus greening disease. Both of these methods were really important in coming to a conclusion as to whether the trees were infected or not. In the future, I really hope my research can be used to develop a treatment or medication for citrus greening disease. My inspiration for this project came from living in Florida my whole life. I knew that citrus greening was causing a problem for citrus growers for the last several years. And living in Florida, I know that the citrus industry has a huge impact on our economy. So I wanted to make a change, no matter how small, that would improve the lives of people living in Florida. I teamed up with a researcher and professor at Florida Atlantic University so that I could use technology at my fingertips to find the best solution for citrus greening disease. I started coming up with science fair projects when I was in 3rd grade. That's a long time ago. I began competing when I was in middle school. My passion for science fair and research carried me all the way to the International Science and Engineering Fair. Science fair has allowed me to develop my passion for learning and research, and it gave me a platform to share my discoveries. It is also a great way to meet other students interested in the same topics as you. It was a lot of work getting to where I am today, but it taught me many great things, like time management and reaching out to research professionals, so that I could actually bring my idea to life. My advice to you is to never stop learning about the world. Stay curious and be a critical thinker. You don't have to cure cancer to make a contribution to the world of science, but you do have to stay passionate about whatever you do. I think that's the most important thing about science fair and in life in general. Good luck.